Backer through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Alrighty, so once we throw the green flag, there will not be any other yellows here for the Enduro event, I believe. And, oh boy, this is going to be a good one to call. Alrighty, in 3, 2, and 1, we're underway. Oh no, we got cars wrapping around, carnage everywhere, red flag on the speedway. Now the Enduro race is back underway. So the field's going to go around as the Enduros are back underway here at the Beckley Speedway. As it may be the number 53 of Kevin Bennett, your race leader, with a race down in turn 3 and 4. Ryan Leeds going to get awfully sideways in 3 and 4. Bennett to the outside is there, putting on a heck of a show as they're door-to-door on the front stretch. Still side-by-side, door-to-door. Ryan Leach still works at the bottom, takes the lead from the number 53 machine of Kevin Bennett. As Ryan Leach leads lap number 3, we have 30. Ryan Leach on the bottom of 3 and 4. As Leach is continuing to work the bottom side of the speedway and lap down traffic. Anthony Godbey now a lap down as Leach is just now starting to lap the field. 18 out of 30, and Leach is staying all the way to the bottom side as the number 74 just hit the wall. That was Robert Tanner in that orange and black machine. Leach to the bottom side of the speedway as he is continuing to lap down cars, and now Leach is really working the field. $20 out of 30 here for the Beckley Speedway Enduro event, and Ryan Leach is just absolutely dominating here tonight as we got 10 to go this time by. So Leach is still a leader as everybody's still making it around through the bottom of turn 3 and 4. You got him 3 wide coming off of 4 here as the second place runner, Kevin Bennett, is able to work more lap down traffic. He's got the 8 of Chandler Martin right on his heels as we got him around, and they all save it. What a save here for the Enduro cars in turns 3 and 4. 22 out of 30 here for the Enduros as Leach in that yellow and blue number 2 machine is still your leader. So as that number 2 of Ryan Leach has got a big commanding lead, his last lap time at a 17.774 while in lap down traffic and still leads. 5 to go here for the Enduro race, and so far with the only wreck in turn number 2, I think everything else has been rather smooth as the number 2 Orion Leach is your leader with 5 to go. Leach continuing to work his way through lap down traffic as that's Robin Sheeliff there on the outside in that Pontiac Grand Am. As it's still Ryan Leach to the bottom side, just about 4 more trips around the speedway. As I'm looking for the battle for the second spot, right there it is. Actually a really good race as the leader's about to lap the whole entire field. The 2X of Ryan Leach is behind third and second of Kevin Bennett and Chandler Martin. 2 to go this time by. As the 30 car is going to pull to the infield, get out of that race car, and he does safely and gets out of the car. White flag in the air for the race leader, Ryan Leach. As Ryan Leach is going to be able to make his way through the turn 3 and 4, right in front of third and second place. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Ryan Leach. He will be your winner. As Ryan Leach in the number 2 will win your Enduro here today. Ladies and gentlemen, from all of us from the American All-Star Series, Beckley Speedway, we thank each and every one of y'all for making this year's UBB Memorial so amazing. Good night, get home safe. All of us here for the Beckley Speedway and American All-Star Series. Good night, everybody. As he climbs out of the field, almost laps the whole field. Give it up for Ryan Leach.